Hello videographers, you like to make videos but your friends tell you all the time, "Oh, it's so boring." No, they don't tell you, but it feels like it. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you some tips on how to make the video less boring and actually much better. First, you want to make short clips. When you film, you may want to film a little bit longer because you want the whole scene to happen, but especially when you're editing, you want your clips to be shorter. This is gonna make your video more dynamic and more interesting to see. Also, if your clips are shorter, when you rename them, it's gonna be easier. If every time you have to watch a 2-minute clip with 10 seconds of good things in it, it's gonna be very long, and even you are gonna be bored before your film is finished. You want to film for the editing. Don't forget, when we film, actually, when we make a small film or a long one, we want to tell a story. So it's important to have in mind what you want to show and how to do it. So yes, for us, most of the time we do underwater video. So we're gonna film what happens. But before that, you can still think about what you want to do. Well, for example, you want establishing shots. So that means you want wide-angle shots, maybe even drone if you have one, to show the dive site, to show the landscape underwater, to show everything. And then you want to film your animals. After that, maybe you want to have close-ups. For example, you want to film an animal and then you want to film a detail of it. Something that is nice, the eye or whatever. So first you have wide-angle shots, then you have your animal, and then you have the detail. Like this, step by step, you go closer and you get people's attention. You want to film from different angles. Same thing, same principle. We want to have short clips. So it's interesting if you have clips filmed from different angles. For example, if you're filming an animal, you want to do one facing him, one from the side, maybe from behind, and like this is going to be more appealing. If you're lucky and you have a 360 camera, it's going to make it super easy because in post-production, you can decide which angle you want to watch, and like this, it's going to be more dynamic. Camera movement is also interesting. For example, at the beginning of a clip, you arrive on a wreck where you want to film forward. You want to do a forward traveling. Like this, you establish your shot, you have a wide angle, and then you get closer and closer to your subject. When you finish, at the end, maybe you want to go backwards. Like this, it explains that you're going away from it. And in the middle, also, maybe you want to have sliding shots. So you go from left to right or right to left, maybe up and down. And this will also help you to make transitions later on. It can be super cool as well to have slow motion shots. Not for all of it, but some of it. For example, you've been filming an animal, like a fish or whatever, and now he's trying to eat something. So the mouth is going up and down. And if you do a slow motion, you can have it normal speed, then go slow motion, and then go fast again. So like this is going to be more interesting to watch, and you're going to capture people's attention much better. You want to find good music to go with your shots. Most of the time, especially if you want to put it on YouTube or any platform, you need to have royalty-free music, but there's a lot on internet, and you can find something that you like. If it's just for your friends, pick the song you like and then edit on it. Don't forget, like we said before, try to keep the shots short and your clips short. So every beat or every 4 beats or whatever, you want to change sequence. Like this is going to be much nicer to watch. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't hesitate to put a like, give a comment, and you can also give me the link of the video that you did following this tutorial. You can also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Like this, you'll be notified with new videos. And if you want, there is also a video up there to show you how to edit the videos. Bye bye, happy bubbles!